In our previous video, we have learned how to upload the long data set, and this video we will learn how to modify our data having date but having variable format. So let's begin. So now we have entered into our MySQL workbench, and now we will just look once what is the data type in our table. So for this we will use describe, DESCRI, describe, EVENTS, describe events. So for here occurred at, it is showing in varchar, but it should be in datetime format, like select star from events. It should be in datetime format. So for this we will, here we can do one thing. We will make one column where where the elements will be the copy of the same as written in our occurred at column. So for this for here, for this we will do the use of function alter, alter table, alter table, uh, alter, alter table events. Now we will add one column. So for that we will use add column, column column. We will give any name. Let it be temp occurred at, oh sorry, occurred at date time. Okay. Now we will use this SQL safe update. Then I will set SQL safe, SQL safe updates equal to 0. Now we will update our table and copy the elements of occur table into our new column as temp occurred at. So for this we will use update events. Table name we will put here events set. Now we will use set, and then temp occurred at, equal to string string to string to date, string to date string to date here occurred at occurred at comma. Now the format, how the date column should be, that column should be ampersand percent d percent d ampersand month, ampersand year. Here year will be in capital form, and now ampersand h colon ampersand I, inverted comma close, semicolon. Oh, here. Okay. Uh, it's taking too long time. Okay. Successfully run. Now let's see our table. So for this, we will use select star from events. Yes, we have got the copy. Now we will look the data types. So for this, describe events. Occur at is in temp, occur at is in date time. Now we will delete our old column, that is occurred at. So for this, we will delete our. So for this, we will delete our occurred at column. Now we will use alter table events, alter table events, drop column name OCC occurred at occurred at. Our new column, our old column is deleted. Now we will rename our new column, that is temp occurred at with occurred at. So for this, we will use again alter table events, rename is the function that will allow us to rename the column name. So for this, we will use rename column rename column temp cc occurred at 2 occ occurred at. Okay, now we'll see our table again. Select star from select star from events. uh, describe events. Okay, here it is in date time column. Okay, successfully run.